We all have unique strengths and powers that make us special, make us, well, us. Introverts, you possess an incredible power, the ability to listen, to be present, and to reflect deeply. Yet, in a world that often rewards extroversion, you might sometimes feel like you're at a disadvantage. But believe me, being an introvert doesn't mean you can't be instantly likable. On the contrary, it's your secret weapon. Let's dive into 7 ways you, as an introvert, can make people instantly like you. 1. Embrace your authentic self. Authenticity is magnetic. People appreciate honesty and can sense when someone is being genuine. As an introvert, you're naturally introspective. Use this strength to understand yourself better. Find what makes you happy, what interests you, and let your passion shine through in conversations. For instance, if you're a fan of mystery novels, share that passion with others. You'll not only attract like-minded people, but also inspire others with your genuine enthusiasm. 2. Practice active listening. Introverts are natural-born listeners, a skill that others deeply appreciate. When you actively listen, you show respect and interest, making the other person feel valued. Next time you're in a conversation, focus on the speaker, their words, emotions, and body language. Ask follow-up questions like, how did that make you feel? Or what did you do next? This will deepen the conversation and connection. 3. Value quality over quantity. As an introvert, you may feel overwhelmed by large social gatherings. But remember, making people like you doesn't require impressing the masses. You shine in one-on-one interactions or small group settings. Arrange for these intimate settings where you can build deeper relationships. Invite a colleague for a coffee break or start a book club with a few friends. You'll be appreciated for creating an environment where meaningful conversations flourish. 4. Master the art of small talk. Small talk may not be an introvert's favorite pastime, but it's often a starting point for building relationships. The trick here is to steer the conversation towards topics that interest you. If you're at a networking event and someone asks, "How are you?" instead of a simple, "Fine, thank you," you might say, "I'm great. I've been reading this fascinating book lately." This approach gives a glimpse into your world and opens up the conversation for deeper topics. 5. Show empathy and understanding. Empathy is a superpower introverts possess, often allowing them to understand others at a profound level. Show genuine concern for people's feelings and experiences. If a friend is going through a tough time, don't shy away from expressing your support. Your comforting presence and understanding can make them feel better and reinforce your bond. 6. Be a source of positive energy. While you may not be the loudest in the room, you can still be a source of positivity. Your calm and composed demeanor can be a breath of fresh air in a chaotic world. Practice mindfulness and gratitude to cultivate a positive mindset, and let this energy radiate through your words and actions. Compliment a coworker's idea in a meeting, or send an uplifting message to a friend. Your positive vibes will make people feel good around you. 7. Communicate effectively. Even if you're not a chatterbox, you can still communicate effectively. Be clear, concise, and thoughtful with your words. Before a presentation or conversation, take a few moments to organize your thoughts. This will help you express your ideas more clearly and confidently. For example, if you're sharing an idea in a meeting, you might say, "I've thought about our project, and I believe we could increase efficiency by implementing this strategy." By showing that you've reflected on your ideas, you'll gain respect and admiration from your colleagues. Now, let's break down the myth that being an introvert is a barrier to making people like you. Quite the opposite. It's a gift that can help you connect with others in meaningful and memorable ways. Remember, it's about embracing your unique qualities, not changing them. Every conversation, every interaction is an opportunity to let your authentic self shine. Whether you're deeply listening to someone's story, showing empathy during tough times, or sharing your passion, you're cultivating a bond that transcends surface-level connections. When you value quality over quantity in relationships, you're respecting your need for deeper connections. By mastering small talk, you're opening doors to more profound discussions. And when you radiate positivity, you're attracting people towards your calm and serene energy. So, dear introverts, It's time to redefine what it means to be likable. No loud voices, no ostentatiousness. Instead, it's about authenticity, deep connections, and positivity. By implementing these 7 strategies, you're not just making people instantly like you. You're also creating lasting impressions that people will cherish. Remember, it's not about becoming someone else. It's about being the best version of you. And the best version of you, my friends, is always enough. Embrace your introversion and let your inner light shine. Trust me, the world is ready to embrace you exactly as you are. We hope you enjoyed this video. If so, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Mentally There. We'll see you next time.